Ever made changes to a WordPress post or page, only to realize you want to go back to an earlier version? Maybe you deleted a great paragraph by mistake, or you preferred the way your layout looked before. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to use WordPress post revisions to undo changes and recover older versions of your content. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be confident in rolling back posts safely, and you'll never have to panic after an accidental edit again. Let's dive right in. The first step is to log into your WordPress dashboard and head to the area where your content lives. If you're editing a blog post, go to Posts. For other website content, click on Pages. Once you're there, select the post or page you want to fix. When you're editing, look for a section usually on the right side labeled Revisions. It might say something like Revisions 6. That number tells you how many previous versions WordPress has saved for this item. Click on either the number or the link that says Browse to enter the revisions interface. Now inside the revision screen, things might look a little different. You'll see two columns. The right side is the revision you're currently viewing, and the left shows the previous version for direct comparison. If you want to compare two different versions, not just side by side, you can check the box at the top labeled Compare any two revisions. This is super helpful, especially if you're trying to track down when a specific change was made. WordPress does a great job of highlighting exactly what was added or removed. Deleted content appears with a red highlight, and new content is shown in green. Think of it like track changes in a Word document or Google Docs. Anything WordPress noticed as different jumps out at you, line by line. So if you're looking for a lost paragraph or a piece of formatting you accidentally changed, you'll spot it quickly. Don't be intimidated if there are a lot of revisions. Sometimes you'll see a big list if you've been updating your post a lot. Just take a moment here and use the visual cues to trace back your steps. Once you've identified the version you want, you have a few navigation tools at the top. There's a slider you can drag left or right to jump between revisions, and previous or next buttons if you prefer clicking through one at a time. This part might take a few moments, especially if you're not sure exactly when the change happened. No worries, just move calmly through your versions until everything looks right. When you find the revision you want to bring back, decide if you want to restore the whole thing or just a part. To roll the entire post or page back to this earlier version, just hit Restore this revision, or sometimes it says Restore this autosave in the top right. WordPress will pop you back over to the standard editor, and your content will reflect that older version you chose. If, on the other hand, you just need to recover a specific sentence or section, you can highlight and copy the text right from the revision screen, then paste it into your main post editor. One last important step. After restoring or copying in your changes, make sure to save draft, update, or publish the post to finalize it. If you skip this, your changes won't go live, so don't forget. It's just like saving a file on your computer. Make sure to lock in your work before navigating away. And that's all there is to it. WordPress revisions are a lifesaver for anyone who edits content frequently. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit that like button and let me know in the comments if you have any questions about revisions or other WordPress features. And if you want more practical guides like this, don't forget to subscribe for new tutorials every week. Thanks for watching and happy editing.